Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about lab safety rules. Before going to know about lab safety rules, let us see some of the potential hazards at lab areas. Fire, breakage of glassware, spillages, pressure equipment and gas cylinders, extremes of heat and cold atmospheres, chemical hazards, biological hazards, and radiation. To avoid these hazards, follow these basic safety rules at laboratory. Be prepared for your work in the laboratory. Read all procedures thoroughly before entering the laboratory. Keep pathways clear by placing extra items on shelves. All chemicals should always be clearly labeled with the name of the substance, its concentration, the date it was received. Unauthorized experiments or procedures must not be attempted. Never point a test tube being heated at another person's or yourself. Never look into a test tube while you are heating it. Know the location of the fire extinguisher, IVA station, first aid kit and the safety shower. Do not smell the flask directly. If you absolutely must test the odor, carefully wrap the vapor from the flask towards your nose with your hand. Keep the flask quite distance from your face. Do not add water to concentrated acid. If necessary to prepare certain solutions, do add acid to water. Lab areas containing carcinogens, radioisotopes, biohazards and lasers should be properly marked with the appropriate warning signs. Flammable and volatile chemicals should only be used in a fume hood. Only lightweight items should be stored on top of the cabinets. Heavier items should always be kept at the bottom. Do not eat food, drink beverages or chewing gums in laboratory. Do not use laboratory glassware as containers for food or beverages. Maintain good housekeeping in a lab helps to prevent damage of equipment. Good housekeeping helps to prevent fires in lab. Leave your workstation clean and in good order before leaving the laboratory. Never handle broken glass with your bare hands. Use a brush and dustpan to clean the broken glass. Place broken glass in a designated glass disposal container. Dispose of all chemical waste properly. Never mix chemicals in sink drains. Sinks are to be used only for water. Know the disposal procedures of waste. Always do a visual check on electrical equipment before use, looking for obvious wear or defects. Report all accidents, injuries and breakage of glass or equipment to lab in charge immediately. Always be careful with compressed gas cylinders. They should be secured and used proper way. Horseplay, practical jokes and pranks are dangerous to you and others in the laboratory. When working with equipment, hazardous materials, glassware, heat and or chemicals, always wear face shield or safety glasses. When performing laboratory experiment, you should always wear lab coat. When handling of any toxic or hazardous agent, always wear appropriate gloves and respiratory protection. Before leaving lab or eating, always wash your hands.